Remove the screws at the bottom of the glove box using a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the glove box. Remove the top 3 screws that secure the glove box assembly. Remove the side panel. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Disconnect the light, if you have one. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light, if you have one. Reinstall the glove box assembly. Reinstall the side panel. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box. Reinstall the 2 remaining screws.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.